Hey guys, Harmony here. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your own ChatGPT in your Discord server. It's quick, it's easy, and in good old HarmonyMLG fashion, I will be walking you through every step of the way. Without further ado, let's get right into it, guys. I'm going to have a little timestamp in this video if you want to skip this, but this is kind of important. If you're new to Python, you must go to this path to go to this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, and make sure your user and system variables path has yada 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 and yada 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 in it and moved up. Now to get into AppData, you're going to do %appdata%. The prerequisites for this one are you're going to need Notepad++, Python 3.10, and you're going to update your requirements text. We will get into that. I have it in the description. That is to get it to work. So make sure you follow that step. And let's just get into it, guys. So make sure you follow that step. And let's get right into it, guys. There's Python right here. You're going to scroll down. Download Python, 64-bit. I've already done that. Notepad++ right here. It's in the description. Download this one. Get that installed and everything. And this is the meat and potatoes, guys. This is the bot itself. It's 06992's ChatGPT Discord bot. You're going to go to code, download zip, go into your downloads folder, and you're going to want to extract all right there. And then here's where Notepad++ comes in. You're going to open this up in Notepad+, .env.example. And right here, everyone, we have Discord bot token, OpenAPI key, and that's really the only steps we're doing for this one. Now, this is very straightforward. You guys can check it out, get some time, get familiar with it. It's as easy as you think it is, everyone, so don't worry. Now, let's focus on the Discord bot token first. Go into the link in the description, the Discord developer portal, go new application. I'm going to call this HarmonyBot. Click create. Go to bot. Reset token. Yes, do it. Now we're going to have to put in our two-factor authentication code. If you have that all set up. And you're going to copy this. And then you're going to paste it right there. After you do that, hit File, Save. Next. What we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to public bot, turn that off. Message intent, on. Message intent's the most important one. That is required for the bot to function. These other two I just have on because I don't know why you wouldn't have it on anyway. So next we're going to be going to general URL. Right here, redirect. This is basically saying the bot is going to get invited to this link. So you're going to add redirect. You're going to open up Discord, copy the link that you've already copied from the invite area. So you're going to just get a simple invite link to the server you wanted to join. Save changes. And then that's taken care of. And then you're going to want to do identify, bot, applications commands. I'm going to do administrator for the sake of the video, but if you want to, you can take your time and hand pick out all the permissions you want your bot to have. You also have to select the redirect URL. We already did that. So when you select that, hit copy, open up a new tab, paste. Get that in there. And then if you look in your server, it's going to be right there. Looking handsome, Harmony. And then after that, we're going to be going into OpenAI, and we're going to log in, and then we should go to the API tab that it asks you to go to, and then you're going to do new secret key, HarmonyMLG, for me, because that's me, but name it whatever you like. Now, you won't be able to view this key again. So if you lose the secret key, you're going to need to generate a new one. That's no big deal, but just keep that in mind. Then you're going to put that here, and then file, save, and just like that, this part of the video is done. Now, I'm going to be doing a separate video for Bard because the fact is, with OpenAI, if you're using their API, it costs a little money. It's like 0.01 of a cent, basically. And that's not even basically, that's just literally. So if you guys aren't willing to put in like a couple bucks, I will be making a separate video for this one. I just want to let you guys all know. And these steps are important anyway, because my Bard video is going to be basically these after this one. So keep watching. Okay, guys. So once you have that done, you have your Discord bot token, your OpenAI API key. You're pretty much good to go in terms of the ChatGPT front. Once again, if you want to do Bard and you want to have it like free and stuff, it's a little bit extra work in my opinion, but check out my next video on how to do that. Once your chat model is set on official, if it's Bard, just check Bard, replace this with Bard, and then the main thing you're going to want to do before you get really into the center of it all is take out that .example line of text from the env, hit enter twice, and now you're going to open up your command prompt, cd space, copy the directory, enter. Now basically, guys, the truth is you're going to have to copy this directory right here into this little area every time you start the bot, because it is run locally unless you host it. And let's start to install Requirements.txt. You're going to open it up. This is the base install. This is outdated. So you're going to want to go into the description, get this one. As you can see the difference, copy this from the description, paste it here, file, save, you're good to go. After you do that, you're going to do pip space install -r requirements.txt. Now, that's my favorite part, guys, because it just makes me feel like I know what I'm doing. I've already done that, so it's going to look a whole lot cooler when you do it, trust me. But you're going to see requirement already satisfied because I already installed it. Okay. And then we're going to do Python space main.py. So once again, guys, when you want to start the bot anytime, you copy the directory and then you're going to put Python main py or whatever you change main.py to. And you're going to hit enter. You're going to see it log in. You're going to see it connect. And it's going to say HarmonyBot is now running. And then we're going to see HarmonyBot looking good. And you can see for yourself right here, /chat. Hello, HarmonyBot. What chat model are you? Now, because I have a couple of credits on my thing, it's going to say right there, OpenAI's ChatGPT 3 model. But this is full ChatGPT, and it's great. It's fantastic. And once again, guys, if you want to see how to hook it up with Bard from Google's AI Bard, be sure to look at the top right and check out that video. Hopefully this video helped you. Hopefully you're happy with your new ChatGPT bot in your server. Make sure you look at the description, though. If you're having any problems, I have listed out countless steps that I put time and effort into to make sure it works for you no matter what. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure to leave it in the comments. Subscribe if you want to. And without further ado, guys, basically, I'm going to be honest with you right now. My name is HarmonyMLG, and I will see you in the next one.